Let me tell you about this small remote control. It belongs to a Panasonic air conditioner and its model is CU-CSU-SSKS. The device is white and I think it is made of aluminum because it feels nice to and cold to touch. The remote has four buttons on it. First of all, the stop button is the most important one, and you use it to turn the air conditioner on or off. Next to it, there is a second button that helps you turn down the temperature when the room feels too cold. On the other side, the third button does the opposite, which is turning up the temperature. Finally, the "For" button is a useful because it opens the menu so you can choose your desired temperature easily. It is a simple and helpful device for controlling the air in the room.